Struggling to find a video on how to remove an airbox from a 2008 ZX10R? So was I. Look no further. I made one. Let's begin by unscrewing the two T5 bolts. Next, we'll prop up the fuel tank to get a better view. For easier filming and clarity, I'll demonstrate with the fuel tank already removed. Next, we'll take out the two bolts that hold the bracket in place, anchoring the airbox to the frame. Remove the 9 Phillip head screws. And that's how you replace an air filter. To remove the airbox, we'll need to follow a few more steps. To disconnect the fuel line, insert a flat screwdriver into the channel and gently wiggle the clip upwards. Remove the fuel line. I'm utilizing a hook tool to line the hose clamps, making them easier to remove. Remove the hose clamps. Using a flat screwdriver, push down on the hoses. Remove the upper air filter assembly. Remove the lower air filter assembly. To remove the top feed injectors, unscrew the 5 10mm bolts holding down the injector plate, and use a Phillips screwdriver to detach the air temperature sensor. Yes, it's that simple. Thanks for watching and take care.